Hey guys, welcome to You Want Very Well channel, and today video I'm going to share with you a new method and strategy that you can simply learn that, and that is the trick and master key actually, that you can learn these skills actually, and then you can implement your skills into the business and market, and that way you can make a huge amount of money from that. So the method that I'm releasing or showing on this video is absolutely an 100% free method and strategy that I will show you, and you can build and master your skills, and that way you can make money for absolutely free. So I'm going to share with you step by step what I want from you to watch the video to the very end, to do not miss any part of the strategy. Then you will be confused if you miss any part of that. So let's begin the strategy first. So the first and important thing is that you just need to Google and just type Google Skill Shop. So once you tap the Google Skill Shops right here on the Google, as you can see here, so once you tap that, then you can just hit the enter button and search on that. So once you search, you can scroll down and skip the ads, and you can see here the skill shop that with google.com. The first link, you can simply click on that. So once you click on that, then you will be you will be redirected to this page actually, that you can simply see here, get certified with Google Ads. And Google Ads, you can find out, for example, Google Ads search certificate, Google Ads display certificate, Google Ads measurement certificate, Google Ad video certification or something like that. So you can simply find out different one, and Google marketing platforms you can also find out here. So these are all the free courses that you can simply learn for absolutely free, and then you can make a huge amount of money from that. So the next step will be that you can simply click on the get started button right here. So once you click on that, you will be redirected to here, that you can find any niche or any course. So you can simply click, for example, if you are making money online in the Google Ads, and you want to be master in your skills in Google Ads, that how to promote other people business, so you can simply definitely click on that. Or if you want Google My Business, YouTube, or any other one, you can click here. So these are all the free courses. So once you click on that, then you will be visited this page, that you can choose your certification goal. For example, in which part do you want to just proceed with that? Suppose this is that Google Ads certification I want, and I want to master my skills, so I click right here. So once I click here, I just visit to this page, which is the Google Ads course actually, for absolutely free, like 2 hours and 60 minutes or something like that, and 3.7 hours actually, 4.7 hours. So these are the different courses that I can simply just enroll in that for absolutely free, and then I can simply just go ahead with that. If you just master your skill with these courses, anyone that you like or you are interested in that, you see here, so this is the best one that you have never seen before for absolutely free. So you can simply click here the get started, and you can enroll in the course. So study Google Ads display. So here there are different uh, portion that you can simply just learn them, and then you can just implement. So how you can implement and how you can make money, the best part is that if you just go to the upwork.com, it's a freelance website, and you can see here that many people are just offering these types of services, and they are making a huge amount of money, like that $250, okay, $149, $125. So all these guys, you can do the same thing and sign up for a free account and just offer your master skills right here to different people. And that is another website like Guru, so you can also sign up with that. If you just find jobs, you click on that, you will see many people that they are looking for the jobs and Google Ads or something like that. You can just send them a quote and they will hire you as soon as possible. And there is another website like Truelancer, so that is also the best website that you can also see here the find jobs. You can click on that, and you can see that there are many people that they are looking for similar services right here. So you can also just go around that and send them apply for that, or send the quest to them, and they will hire you and making big money. And another coolest part is here that you can also make extra cash from that. If you just go to Google Udemy.com and you search that Google Ads right here, So you will see there are many people there just using Google Ads and they're making money from that. So these are the different courses that people are purchasing. Like if you just see the first page, like the first course is there that they are just sending now, right now, okay, which is a discount time by only $13, but otherwise this would be by $100 and $150. So now if you just calculate this $13 by this only reviews, not purchases, like 44,000 reviews, so they got more than 500 plus thousands of dollars from only that this one single course. So that's why it is the time to earn money with free courses and just maximize your result and make it your hope possible and positive. So hope you like the method. If you like the method, please hit the like button, comment if you have any question or concern. I can respond to that as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that.